Welcome back, everyone, to Engage at Home, brought to you by Montgomery County's Caregiver Support Program. I'm Lily Fisher, your host, and today we are going to be talking about Nexus Montgomery's Voice Your Choice program. It is a community-based program led by JSSA that promotes advanced care planning through training, education, and public awareness. Partnership with community is at the heart of this program. Voice Your Choice supports community organisations, healthcare providers, and most importantly, you, to understand the importance of planning ahead by providing the tools and resources necessary so you can have your healthcare wishes understood and followed. The most important things to remember with Voice Your Choice is planning ahead. Planning ahead gives you a say in your care. Planning ahead reduces stress for those who matter most. Planning ahead helps healthcare providers know what you want. So, what is advanced care planning? Advanced care planning is the process of identifying and documenting your health care wishes and values if you are unable to speak for yourself due to a serious illness or emergency. Advanced care planning includes identifying and writing down your healthcare wishes and values, selecting a healthcare decision maker, which is called a healthcare agent, to speak for you and represent your wishes if you are unable to speak for yourself, and sharing those wishes with those who matter most and your healthcare provider. Advanced care planning gives you the opportunity to understand your healthcare options, communicate your healthcare wishes and values, and make sure that they are known. Without advanced care planning, loved ones and healthcare providers may make decisions that don't reflect your values and you could receive unwanted treatment or not receive the healthcare you want. So let's take a few moments now to look at the Voice Your Choice program website so you can have a better understanding of what the program is, learn more about how to plan for your choice, develop an advanced care plan, and during this time when we are having social distancing, learn where you can start engaging with your advanced care planning right now. So this is the Voice Your Choice website. It's very easy to find. As always, you look up the top and it is clear to look at. It is voiceyourchoice.org. Nice and simple. Like I mentioned, this is a program that is being developed with JSSA and Nexus Montgomery County, two respected non-profit organisations in our area. So on the website, it really helps you navigate so you can learn more about it. It's going to tell you who are their community partners, and I'm just waiting for this to load, how, as a member of your community, you can start being involved, whether it is attending a training, preparing your own advanced care plan, and most importantly, who are the local providers, which includes Montgomery County government. Partners. Partners are a very important connection with all of the work we do in Montgomery County. And with this program, there are opportunities for new organisations to be involved. And here it provides all of the details about how to become a partner and how to serve your community. Events. community trainings, and this is what we're going to be focusing on today. But also on the website, it talks about if someone was wanting to become a community facilitator. Also, information that is really most important, and that is all about the ethics and checks and balances associated with this program. Whether you live in Maryland or elsewhere, having an advanced care plan really will ensure that in case of an emergency, you do not have to worry about holding on all of your medical documents and your directives in case you have to be taken to hospital. What is excellent about Voice Your Choice program is, particularly for people who are in Maryland, the information that people establish when they create their directive is something that the Maryland system has a secure portal. And so you are able to be guaranteed that when you go and have medical attention, if you are unable to provide your own information, or if a loved one is unable to, that information is going with you. And that is something that is both highly confidential but secure. And I think that all of us would really appreciate having our wishes understood and followed and carried out, even if we are unable to share that information with a loved one. So here is the website, and I've opened a few tabs in advance to share with you more about advanced care planning. So this is the main area, and I accessed that through Complete an Advanced Care Plan up here on the main website, up on the top right-hand side. It allows you to create a digital plan, and why I'm sharing with this with you right now is that all in-person workshops have been suspended due to social distancing, but you can still create your digital plan. You can do it by yourself, you can do it with loved ones, you can have it that people help you along the way. You can start developing it, but then you can add new information to it. It isn't one of these things where you've got to get it all done all at one time and then it's over. This is something that can be a living document, and it can follow you as your health situation changes, but also as your wishes change. As it says here, whether you have an existing advanced care plan or want to create one from scratch, they have you covered. Their global registry is always available and supports multiple file types and documents, including medical orders, videos, audios, advanced care plans. And you can click on these various links to better understand how you will complete this online and what support is available to you. So I'm just going to open another tab, and that tab was created through here, Create a Digital Plan. And I wanted to help us look at how it works. So this Universal Advanced Care Plan is something that historically people didn't have. They had to carry with them any orders of medical interventions, what medications they were on, what choices they had. It was something that they had to carry at all times. What we have developed here in Montgomery County is a portable medical record system. So let's take a little look at what it includes. My directives. So my directives include areas where you can really consider what are your values and treatment goals. You can use your own words, or you can select from a list of answers, and you can update them as needed. You can also determine now and change them Who are your healthcare agents? Sometimes, sadly, we aren't always able to represent our wishes. My directives allows you to have it written, but you can also designate others who will provide information personally. And then my thoughts. Oftentimes, when there is a crisis, we aren't prepared. Our loved ones are emotional, we're emotional. And so this allows you to really personalize what it is that is most important to you, which could include music, videos, photos. And then your circle. Let's really understand that this is a document that's a living document. It is going to be something that you do share with your healthcare provider, but it's also going to be something that you share with friends and family. But once again, remember that this is a safe and secure digital platform. And what its purpose is to have it that it is portable. It will travel with you. You do not have to now be printing out and having all of this information with you. So let's recap. So Voice Your Choice is a program to support the individual. It's to give you the power to plan for your treatment, what kind of care you wish, and also, most importantly, if there is a time when you cannot represent yourself, that you are able to share information with providers and your loved ones immediately. You can discuss this with your medical team. It isn't something that you must do, but obviously there's a huge benefit from sharing what your wishes are, maybe even understand more about how to articulate what your wishes are. And as I mentioned earlier, sadly, due to the COVID-19 social distancing, they are not offering in-person trainings. So if you look on the web page, and I'm just going to take us back to the main web page, you can go to complete an advanced care plan. And by opening that, you can register, you can start the process of creating your own personalized advanced care plan. This is all strictly confidential, and it's an opportunity that I encourage everyone to seriously consider undertaking, and do it soon. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you need immediate assistance, please remember Montgomery County's Aging and Disability Services is available for you. The number is 240-777-3000. Thank you very much. I'm Lily Fisher with Montgomery County's Caregiver Support Program. I encourage you to keep calm, stay well informed, and be at peace.